Hi, this is John from Premiere Pro Classes, and this short tutorial is about how to use the rate stretch tool to slow your footage down or speed it up. Let me show you how it works. So here I have a random sequence on the timeline, and let's say I want to slow this clip down here or speed it up. Now I can go to the rate stretch tool, which is right here, and if I go to the end of a clip, let's say I go to the end of this clip and I pull left, what it's doing is actually speeding it up. So now I can see that this clip's going to be much faster. If I open up my timeline a little bit, I can see it's 199.36% speed. So it's almost double as fast. If I pull it the other way, now it won't go past this clip here because there's something blocking it. But if I give it some room, so I'll make my timeline a little smaller, and I will highlight these clips and sort of move them over. And I'll just give it a little room there. And I go back to my rate stretch tool. If I get on the end, I can pull this out now. And basically what it's doing is slowing the clip down. So now you can see it has slowed it down to 60.23%. So basically that's going to be slow motion. So that's really easy to use the rate stretch tool. Just remember you can't go past the clip. You'll have to make some room to go past the clip, but you can pull in. So if I pull in, it'll speed up the clip. If I pull out, it'll slow down the clip. And that's basically the rate stretch tool. And if you don't want your audio to be sped up with it or slowed down, just take off this link selection button. So when you speed something up, your audio will stay at the same rate. And if you slow something down, your audio will stay at the same rate. So that's basically the rate stretch tool. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe or like. See you next time. Thank you.